All right, this is a cabin tour of 9242 here on board Wonder of the Seas as we open up. This, my friends, is a mini suite. First mini suite tour of the channel, actually, which is really neat. So this is actually my parents' room. I'm staying across the hall in a window Central Park cabin, so if you haven't seen that tour already, go check it out. But this place is huge. Look at this. A nice king-size bed here. Of course, a nice big nightstand. Some connectivity here. You got a USB-A port and a regular socket next to that lamp. Again, a king-size bed. Wow, this is really nice. You got another, this is actually the master switch on this side of the cabin, or on this side of the bed. Oops. Got ourselves a phone. Same thing here. Switch, USB-A, and a regular plug, but some important safety muster information. You're gonna find it on the back of this door here. So you got a little deck plane here, deck 5, E2 is gonna be our muster station here in this cabin. Master switch here by the door as well. This card here also supplies the power. We're gonna get to the bathroom here in a minute. Nice, large mirror. What is in here? Wow, look at that closet. Oh my gosh. This is also first impressions for me while I do this. Wow, this is crazy. A walk-in closet on a cruise ship. So lots of space, lots of shelves, lots of hangers, some robes, even more hangers. These pull out for whatever you may need them for. You've got yourself a coffee machine. You want to, instead of going all the way down to Cafe Promenade in the mornings, why not just make it here? Got yourself the little K-cups, some latte creamer. Ew, what? It's cold, I promise, but I don't know if I want, I feel like I would need a refrigerated packet of coffee creamer. Interesting, okay. But you got yourself some coffee cups. A couple drawers here, and a nice big closet. Your safe is going to be found in this one here. Of course, a nice little narrow piece, but mostly shelves. And then, of course, two more cubbies. Moving on over to the desk. Let's take a seat. Nice big chair. Take a seat at this nice desk here. A lot of connectivity, 2 European plugs, 1, 2, and 3 regular American plugs, and then you have 2 USB-A ports and a light switch for the desk. So nice big desk for whatever activities you do on a desk. That is your business, but nice trash can. Nice big couch. Does this pass the pull test? Is there a bed under here? There is not. So, nice big couch though. And you got yourself another one here with a nice little coffee table. Cool stuff. This room is awesome. A nice big TV for all of your information. I would be watching the map the entire time. And we'll do the balcony last. So let's move on over to the thermostat. Never touch the thermostat. Or do. It's on a cruise. You don't have to pay for it, right? Here's the bathroom. I'm actually waiting in suspense. Nice, ooh, wow, yeah, nice big bathroom. So, of course, nice big mirror, a couple cups, some shelves, some soap, and a sink that works. Trash can down there, a couple towel racks, and a little, is this the line for it? No, wait. I feel like there's something that would connect to that with drying clothes. Anyways, giant bathtub. Ooh, okay, don't do this with shoes, obviously, but nice big bathtub. Some soaps, some really nice soaps. You got shampoo and conditioner instead of the 5-in-1 that you get in a regular cabin. But, ooh, that was wet. Nice big detachable shower head here to reach those hard to reach places. And of course, the good sock out of the toilet. And of course, we have ourselves the balcony. The balcony mini suite. Oh my gosh, this is huge. I haven't even stepped out here yet. There's even a window over on this side. This cabin's incredible. I'm gonna be spending my time here. What am I gonna do in a Central Park window? Huge, huge balcony over here. Okay, so I'm 5'8" on a good day, and I take up about half, not even half. So we're talking a good 10, maybe 12 feet across here. So this is a really cool balcony. So, table, some chairs, and the ottomans that go underneath them. Keep your grubby feet off of the glass, even if you could reach that. So again, so it's like probably a good 10 feet across, lay across, probably another good chunk in front of it, but a beautiful view of the port side of this ship and the Port of Miami, the new home of Wonder of the Seas. I hope you enjoyed today's cabin tour of cabin 9242. Almost died on that coffee table. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to check out a room tour of the cabin across the hall where I'm staying and the Central Park window cabin, go check that out here in just a moment in the end card. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're a cruise nerd like me and you love cruise ship content, whether it be live streaming, ship spotting, or cruise vlogs, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video as we do a full walkthrough tour of the beautiful Wonder of the Seas. Thanks for watching.